Good evening, everyone. You studied Introduction to Java. Yesterday, I explained what exactly Java. I started Java fundamentals. First topic I started. Okay. So, yesterday, one diagram I explained. This is a diagram. Okay. Now, whatever I taught yesterday, I'll ask some questions. Just respond. What is Java? Java is a programming language, platform, and technology. Java is a programming language. Java is a platform. Java is a technology. All are right. Okay, there is no mistake. Why Java called as programming language? Because we can write programs. Now, next platform. What is platform? It can be a software or hardware in which program runs. If the program is running under some software or under some hardware, that software or hardware is called platform. That is called platform. Okay. Here, C compiler. What C compiler will do? Converts Unicode into bitcode. What Java compiler will do? Converts Unicode into bytecode. Converts Unicode into bytecode. C compiler converts Unicode into bitcode. Java compiler converts Unicode into bytecode. Human being can understand one language. That language is called Unicode. So we can understand Unicode. Operating system can understand one language. That is called bitcode. But who will understand bytecode? JVM will understand bytecode. JVM full form? Java Virtual Machine. Now, inside the JVM, one software will be there that will convert bytecode to bitcode. That software is called interpreter. Interpreter. So, here Unicode to bytecode, bytecode to bitcode. 2 times translation done for platform independent purpose. But here only 1 time translation done. That's what it is, platform dependent. This is platform dependent. This is platform independent. Okay. Now, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? What's the difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler converts whole program at a time. Interpreter, line by line. Will it compiler produce a file? Yes. Will it interpreter produce a file? No. Which is fast? Compiler is fast. Interpreter is slow. Okay. Now, here, C program. Is it platform dependent or independent? Dependent. Java program, independent. C program, platform dependent. Java program, platform independent. Okay, it is dependent, it is independent. Now, is Java virtual machine dependent or independent? What is it? Dependent. Remember, okay? Java virtual machine dependent, not independent. Yesterday, few people given independent also. Okay, after teaching only asked. You have to listen with more concentration. Okay, it is dependent. Windows JVM only for Windows. Linux JVM only for Linux. Solaris JVM for only Solaris. Every operating system separate Java virtual machine is there. Windows, Linux, Unix, Solaris, macOS, so many operating systems are there in the market. Every operating system separate Java virtual machine is there. Now, that's what Java virtual machine, it is a platform dependent. Windows JVM you cannot run in Linux. Linux JVM you cannot run in Windows. So these all Java virtual machines are platform dependent. But Java program is platform independent. This program you can run on Windows also, Linux also, Solaris also. On any JVM you can run. That's what it is independent. But Windows JVM will run under Windows only. Linux JVM runs under Linux only. Solaris JVM runs under Solaris only. That's what platform dependent. Okay. Now, here 2 times translation, independent purpose only. Here in a C language, whenever you compile, you are getting this code. This code only Windows can understand. Other operating system cannot understand. But writing C program in all operating system possible. If you write a C program on Linux, if you compile, there demo.out file comes. That file Linux only can understand. If you write a C program on Solaris, there one more file comes. That file only Solaris can understand. So C language program, if you compile, you are getting platform dependent code. That particular platform only can understand. Other platforms cannot understand. But Java different. Whenever you compile, you are getting independent code. That code common to all JVMs. All JVMs can understand that code. That's what independent. But JVM dependent. Windows JVM only for Windows. Linux JVM only for Linux. Solaris JVM only for Solaris. So our Java program is platform independent. This program is platform independent, but these JVMs are dependents. Okay. Now you are writing Java program in English. That English language we are calling like a universal code, in short Unicode. Whenever you compile, you are getting dot class file bytecode. This bytecode converted into bitcode by JVM. Inside the JVM, interpreter software will be there. Converts. Then executed, you'll get output. That's what this program anywhere you can run. That is the power of Java programming language. Without modifying single character, you can run the program on any platform. That is platform independent. But like that, C not possible. Okay. And many JVMs are there. All JVMs can understand that code. That is platform independent feature. This is with this reason only Java boomed in the industry. Now also booming in the market. So like this platform independent feature came. Now JVM is a part of yesterday given. JVM is a part of JRE. Full form Java Runtime Environment. It is called Java Platform. JRE nothing but Java Platform. Okay. JRE is a part of JDK. JDK full form Java Development Kit. It is nothing but Java software. So if we install Java software, JDK installed. JDK contains JRE. JRE contains JVM. JDK contains Java compiler. That means everything installed. So no need to install compiler separate, JRE separate, JDK separate like that. Just install JDK. In that JDK, all will be there. Java compiler will be there. Java virtual machine will be there. Java runtime environment will be there. And some other libraries will be there. All will be in a one software comes. So that software, how to install, how to download, how to use, we'll see later. Okay. That is we'll see later. Now, this is I explained yesterday. This is just a theoretical concept. Now, already I given in a second class only how to learn Java. How to learn Java, I explained. How to learn Java, I explained. Logical part is most important. Logical part is most important. That is how to learn, I explained. Here, Today I'll start logical part related subject. Here, day one, it's a video links. Those who missed, you can take a snap. Those who missed. Day one, I taught what is full stack Java. Day two, I taught about Java, how to learn Java. Day three, I explained additions. Yesterday, I started subject. Today, fifth class. But subject yesterday only I started. Okay. Those who missed, you can take a snap. Okay. These 4 videos you can watch. But first 3 videos, I didn't teach subject. Subject I started yesterday. Yesterday I started subject. Okay. Today, that is I'll continue. Whatever I given, Java fundamentals. Noodle. In 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sri Swarth, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. In 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sri Swarth, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. In 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sri Swarth, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. Now owned by Oracle Corporation. Now owned by Oracle Corporation. In 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sri Swarth, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems Company. Now that company owned by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. See, Java introduced in 1995. 5 members team. James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sri Swarth, and Mike Sheridan. This person is team leader. Remaining 4 members are team members. So, main person is James Gosling. He is a team leader. Remaining 4 members are team members. These 5 members developed Java, introduced in 1995 at Sun Microsystems Company. But now this company is not there. This company owned by Oracle Corporation. Oracle people purchased it. So present this company is not there. Okay. So developed at Sun Microsystems Company. That company hand over to Oracle Corporation. These people purchased it. This company. Now that company not there. Now even if you open Java website, previously sun.com website was there. Now oracle.com website will be there. Okay. Company totally changed. Now developed this company, that company purchased by this company. Okay. This is enough. Like here, Java history. No one will ask in interview. No need to learn. Java history also 4-5 days I can teach, but no use. Okay. You don't require those, all unnecessary. First algorithmic language, next B language, next C language, next C with classes, next C with C++, Oak language, Java language. Like that Java came. That history also 4-5 days I can teach, but you don't require, unnecessary. And even James Gosling history also not required. One person name enough. Okay. And What is the business deal between these two companies? That is also unnecessary. You concentrate on logics, programming. That is important. Unnecessary theory, no need to learn. Okay. Now today I'll start programming related subject. Okay. See, I given already while teaching how to learn Java. At the time only, like this logical code snippets. See, byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 3, byte C equal to A minus B. This type code snippets. These all you have to learn. Most important. Now, this one small code snippet. It is not a complete program. Just 4 lines logic. In interview, in a written test, what they'll ask is, will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and execute, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is error? If not execute, where is error? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve this type? But today only immediately not possible. For writing one line only, what we require you observe. One line, byte A equal to 5. If you want to write here, if you want to write first, this is called keyword. It is also called data type. It is also called data type. It is called variable. It is also called identifier. It is literal. It is literal. Here equal to symbol operator. See, how many concepts are there? One line only, 6 concepts are there. If you are familiar with 6 concepts, that line you can write. So identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, operators, these all first you have to learn. First, these all you have to learn. Okay. If you are familiar with these all concepts, that line is valid or not valid, you can give answer. After that, 3-4 lines valid or not valid, you can give answer. So 1-2 days you have to wait to understand logics. First class only logic not possible. You should wait. I'll teach some hundreds of logics I'll teach. Okay, hundreds of programs I'll teach. Because your target is you want to get a job in MNC. For getting job in MNC, what we require, that is I'm going to cover. So here first of all, language basics you have to learn. Java language basics. The basics, Java language basics. First, identifiers. Note them. Identifiers. First identifiers required. Java language basics. First identifiers. Now, one concept I'll explain. See, yesterday you have seen, after teaching, I'll ask questions. You have to give answer. Now also, every day, up to last class, after teaching, I'll ask question. You have to give answer. Then only you will understand your status. But see, you have seen yesterday, I asked one question, typical question. JVM is platform dependent or independent? I asked. Few people given independent, few people given dependent, some more people not given answer. You have seen. Okay. If I don't ask any question, what will happen? Think you observe. That's what every day I'll interact with you. That too, so many logics will be there in the core Java. Core Java most important. Every point important only. Whatever I'm giving, that is remember. Okay. Now, first identifiers I'll teach. After completion of identifiers, only questions will be there. You have to give answer. Compulsory. every day. Okay. Note down. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variable, method, class, interface, dash dash, etc. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variable, method, class, interface, dash dash, etc. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variable, method, class, interface, dash dash, etc. Say in a programming part, identification purpose, we are going to write one word. The word is called identifier. Which identification? Variable, method, class, interface. Again, you'll get it out. What is variable? What is method? What is class? What is interface? That is you will understand later. Today, immediately not possible. Okay. Now, see, every person having one name, identification purpose, like that. Here also, identifiers are there. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variable, method, class, interface, dash dash, etc. Now, next point, note down. It can be a variable name, comma, method name, comma, class name, comma, interface name, dash dash, etc. It can be a variable name, method name, class name, interface name, dash dash, etc. It can be a variable name, method name, class name, interface name, dash dash, etc. Say identification purpose. Identification purpose, we are going to write one word. The word is called identifier. That can be variable name, method name, class name, interface name, dash dash. So many things are there. But writing that word, rules are there. The rules you have to learn. Note rules to declare an identifier. 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 First rule, it can be formed by using alphabets, capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. It can be formed by using alphabets, comma, digits, it can be formed by using alphabets, comma, digits, comma, underscore symbol, and dollar symbol. It can be formed by using alphabets, comma, digits, comma, underscore symbol, and dollar symbol. See, rules to declare an identifier. If you want to write identifier, you can use capital letters. You can use small letters. You can use digits. You can use underscore. You can use dollar. Other than these, if you use in an identifier, error comes. That program will not compile. Error comes. Because other symbols are having some meaning. Suppose plus, addition, minus, subtraction. Some meanings are there. That's what, those all you cannot use. Now, it is first rule. Second rule. It must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol, and dollar symbol. It must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol, or dollar symbol. It must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol, or dollar symbol. It must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol, or dollar symbol. See, you observe, first rule what I given, we can use capital letters. Listen with concentration. After completion of rules, I'll ask questions, you have to give answer. Okay. For writing identifier, capital letters you can use, small letters you can use, digits you can use, underscore symbol you can use, dollar we can use. That is first rule. But second rule, it must begins with alphabet, underscore, dollar. But digit you cannot write. First letter, digit you cannot write. That is second rule. Third rule, the length of the identifier is not limited. There is no limit. In C language, C++ language, limitation is there, but no limit in the length. In Java, there is no limit in the length. The length of the identifier is not limited. The length of the identifier is not limited. There is no limit in the length. Fourth one, it should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. Okay. Here, it should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. Only two symbols allowed. Other symbols not allowed. Okay. Only two symbols are allowed, underscore, dollar. We should not write other symbols. Fifth rule. It should not contain white space characters. Space bar, tab, and enter keys. It should not contain white space characters, space bar, tab, and enter keys. It should not contain white space characters, space bar, tab, and enter keys. See, white space characters, nothing but space bar, tab, enter keys. If I press space bar, see, are you getting any output? No, that is called white space character. If I press tab, are you getting any output? No, it is also called white space character. If I press enter key, are you getting any output? No, it is called white space characters. That means we should not use space. We should not use many spaces. We should not use next line. These all. 5 rules are there. Now, once again, I'll just in 2 minutes, I'll repeat. Then I'll ask question, you have to give answer. identification purpose will write one word that is called identifier. That can be variable name, method name, class name, interface name. In a program, many things will be there. Identification purpose will write word. That word is identifier. If you want to write word, these 5 rules you must follow. You can write capital letters. You can write small letters. You can write digits. You can write underscore. You can write dollar. These only allowed. Any other, if you write, not valid. First letter must be alphabet, underscore, or dollar. Digit you cannot write. Length, there is no limit. N number of letters write. Accepted, accepted, accepted. No error. Symbols, only 2 symbols. Underscore, dollar. Other symbol not allowed. White spaces not allowed. One space also error. Many space also error. Next line also error. One space nothing but space bar. Many spaces nothing but tab. Next line nothing but enter key. These are not allowed. Now you observe, I'll write some examples. Okay. I'll write some examples. Don't write. I'll get time for writing. Don't write. First you have to give answer. Later writing. Okay. Don't write. I'll give some examples. Which are valid, which are not valid, you have to give answer. I'll write. Okay. Now. Don't write. I'll give time for writing. Online students also you should respond in a chat box. See, I'll write some words. Suppose five identifiers I'll write. 5 identifiers. No. First one, valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Second one, third one, fourth one. Why it is not valid? It must begins with alphabet underscore dollar. Fifth one, valid. See, in 5 identifiers, one identifier not valid. That is fourth one. This is not valid. It must begins with alphabet, underscore, or dollar. Okay. Now, that's what not valid. Now, again, some more 5 I'll write. Sixth one, is it valid? Why it is not valid? Space not allowed. Okay. Is it valid? Yes, valid. Is it valid? No. It is underscore. It is hyphen. Hyphen not allowed. That is only confusion. Confusion question only, entry question. Okay. Now, is it valid? Not valid. Is it valid? Yes. Say it is hash. It is dollar. Dollar allowed. Hash not allowed. Some more. 11th one. Underscore ox. Is it valid? Valid. Underscore 5 underscore. Valid or not valid? Valid. Digit you can write. Second letter you can write. Okay. 13th one. Dollar underscore dollar. Valid. 14th one. Underscore dollar ox. Valid. 15th one. Ox underscore dollar. Valid. Now, you observe how many identifiers I given? 15. 15 I given. Now, in this first 5, which is not valid? This is not valid. Why it is not valid? It must begins with alphabet underscore dollar. You cannot write digit. Why 6th one not valid? Space not allowed. Why 8th one not allowed? Hyphen not allowed. Why 9th one? Hash not allowed. 11 valid, 12 valid, 13 valid, 14 valid, 15 valid. Now I'll ask some questions, give me answer. 15 identifiers I given. Which are valid, which are not valid, you give an answer. If I give 1000 identifiers, can you give answer or not? Possible or not? Possible. What you have to remember? 5 rules you have to remember or 15 examples you have to remember? What you have to remember? 5 rules you have to remember. 15 examples if you remember, 16th one also may or may not possible. But 5 rules if you remember, any identifier you can give answer. Same style while learning programming. My programs, if you remember, my programs only you can write. New program not possible. My way, if you remember, any program you can write. So my programs, if you learn, my programs only you can write. My way you learn, any program you can write. That is you have to learn in class. So you learn my way of programming, my way of coding, my way of logics. Then anything you can write. But only my programs, if you remember, my programs only can write. New program not possible. So what you have to concentrate? My way or program? My way you concentrate. Then any program you can write. Okay. Now, one more thing you remember, out of 5 rules, 5 rules important only for getting job. But academic different, software company different. See, for example, out of 5 rules, assume you forgot this rule. Assume you forgot second rule. What will happen? It is also valid, you'll write. Because digit allowed, first letter not allowed. See, out of 5 rules, 1 rule if you forget in a software company exam, this is also valid, you'll write. You'll fail. So, software company exam, they'll give 5 identifiers. What they'll ask? Which of the following identifiers are valid? Which of the following identifiers are not valid? That is software company exam. 5 identifier they'll give, which are valid or which are not valid. That type question they'll ask. Then if you forget 1 rule, this is also valid, you'll write. You'll fail. See, out of 5 rules, 1 rule if you forget, you'll fail. But academic exam, how it will be? Are they asking this type question? No. What they'll ask? Explain identifiers briefly. Then what will do? Out of 5 rule, 1 rule only remember. You'll write 1 page. 1 paragraph. Every BTech student is perfect to make paragraphs. Okay. 1 line if I give, that line they'll make it paragraph. 1 line notes if I give, that line they'll make it 1 paragraph also. This is happening. So how much difference is there in academic exam, software company exam, you observe? Out of 5 rules, 1 rule if you forget, you will fail in software company. In academic, out of 5 rules, 1 rule you remember, you will pass. That much gap is there. Okay. So BTech exam, software company exam, not matching. Okay. That's what your put efforts, work hard. Then you will reach your target. But only coming and writing notes, not enough. Logically, you have to think. Every day, I'll interact with you. At that time, you respond. Your answer, right or wrong, try to respond. Then only you'll get a logical thinking. Okay. This is one concept. Now, if you remember 5 rules, 1000 identifiers also, which are valid, which are not valid, you can give answer, no? Possible. Like this only you follow every day up to exception handling topic. Already content also I given. First to 5 topics. If you are perfect, remaining Java yourself you can learn. It is nothing further. Okay. First to 5 topics, more logics are there. On that you focus. Then any Java program you can write. Okay. But up to that, you should be very regular Every class important. Okay. Every point also important. Write is all examples. Write these all examples. See, fourth one not valid because it is started with digit. Sixth one not valid because space. Seventh one, eighth one not valid. Hyphen has symbol, other symbol not allowed. Only dollar underscore. Remaining all valid. So like this, any identifier, you should be able to give answer. 5 rules, if you remember, you can give answer. That's it. This is one concept. Like that, 6 concepts are there. Then logical part will start. Okay. Second concept now, keywords. Is it over? Writing is over. So here fourth one not valid, sixth one not valid, eighth one not valid, ninth one not valid, remaining all valid. This is about identifiers. This is about identifiers. You remember every point. Next, keywords. A set of words reserved by language itself. A set of words reserved by language itself. And those words are called keywords. A set of words reserved by language itself. And those words are called keywords. A set of words reserved by language itself. And those words are called keywords. Writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Those words we are calling like a keywords. Examples: public, private, protected, int, char, float, double, if, else, while, for, static, void, final, class, interface, dash dash, etc. Many are there. Every day they are adding. It is not limited. They are adding new concepts. They are adding every day. See, writing program purpose. Writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Every word having some meaning. These all already given by Java developer. These words are called keywords. Whatever you are going to write, identifier. These are keywords. Next, all keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. You cannot write capital, compulsory small letter. These keywords, all keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. You cannot write capital, compulsory small letters only or write. Okay. So writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Those words we are calling as keywords. These keywords, starting 47 keywords were there. Later, it is become as 48, 49, 50, now 60 plus. Day by day, they are adding new keywords. Okay. Note, there are at present 50 plus keywords in Java. There are at present 50 plus keywords in Java. So some keywords still not included in the list. That is the reason 50 plus I am giving. Okay. There are at present 50 plus keywords in Java. So 50 plus keywords are there. Writing, C language is there. C language 1972 C came. 2024 also fixed number of keywords are there. 32. But in Java, 47, 48, 49, 50, they are updating. Every day they are updating. Because Java is a technology. Java made for internet. When internet is going to be changed, Java is going to be changed. That type. Java made for internet. Internet 1990 introduced. 1990 internet, 2024 internet. How much difference is there? Day by day they're updating internet technology. No. For that, Java came. According to internet, Java is there updating. That's what keyword list, it will increase, never decrease. Okay. There are at present 50 plus keywords in Java. Next point. Note 1. Note 1. Constant and go-to keywords presently not in use. 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 Recently, many keywords introduced, but not included in the list. That is the reason 50 plus I am giving. Okay, keywords only, but in the list it is not included according official information. Okay, uh, two keywords not in use in a program. Constant and go to we cannot use. It is there. If you use, error comes. Uh, with the constant in C language, only variable you can make it constant, but Java method also, class also, like new concepts came. Then this keyword modified, another keyword came. With go to, many logical errors comes in C. That's what they changed. Break label, continue label, new concepts came. So if you don't write these two keywords in the program, if you write, error comes. Note 2. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. See, the words, reserved words are there, no? These all identifier place. We should not write. If you write, error comes. Okay. But how to remember? If you learn core Java, topic wise, if you recall your subject, 50 plus words, all you can write. Possible. Okay. Now, this is about keywords. See, writing program purpose. Writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Those words are called keywords. Those words, some examples are given here. These all compulsory you have to write small letters only. You cannot write capital. But identifier, capital also, small also, mixed also. But keywords, compulsory small letter. If you write capital, error. 50 plus I am giving, but actually many keywords are there. Recently, many keywords introduced, not included in the list. That is the reason 50 plus I said. Okay. Two keywords we cannot use. If you use, error comes. In future also, they may remove from the list or they may activate. Present not working. Identifier place. These words you should not write. If you write, error comes. That is all you'll understand in further sessions. This is second concept. Next, literals. Next, literals. A literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. A literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. It is nothing but just a data. You'll see. If you see, you'll understand. In Java, literals are divided into the following categories. In Java, literals are divided into the following categories. First one, integer literals. Nothing but numbers. Negative numbers, positive numbers, 0. These are called integer literals. In Java, literals are divided into the following categories. First one, integer literals. You can write positive numbers, you can write negative numbers, you can write 0. Second one, Floating point literals. Decimal points are there. Fractional part is there. It is called floating point literal. Fractional part is there. Floating point literals. Integer literals, positive number, negative number, 0. Integer literal. Point something if you write, floating point literal. Character literals. One character in single quotes. One character in single quotes. Even number also you can write. And even special symbol also you can write. But one character. One character in single quotes. So positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 are called integer literals. Point something if you write, floating point literal. One character in single quotes, that is alphabet or digit or special symbol or white space, whatever it may be. Character literal. String literals. One character or many characters in double quotes. String literals. Even numbers also you can write. If you write like this also, string literal only. In a double quotes, if you write, that is string literal. One character in single quotes, string literal. One character or many characters in double quotes, string literal. One character in single quote, character literal. One character or many characters in double quotes, string literal. But two characters in single quotes you cannot write. If you write, error. Boolean literals. Just true and false. That's it. Only two. True, false. Object literals. Just null. Object literals, null. See, these all literals. Is it over? Now, 6 categories of literals. I'll ask some questions. Try to give answer. Employee number. Employee number. Which category of literal required in programming? Which literal? Integer literal. Suppose employee number 101, 102, 103 like that. Then integer literal. But some companies, they are using alphanumeric. Suppose Naresh ID, N91, N92, N93, if they write, then string literal. So some companies using integer literal, some companies using string literal. Depends upon situation. Okay. If the employee number 101, 102, 103 like that is there, integer literal. Alphanumeric mixed, string literal. Okay. Employee name, which literal? String literal. Every employee name, string literal only. Employee salary. Employee salary. Which one? Floating point literals. Rupees and paisa. Fractional part will be there, no? So floating point literal. Employee attendance. Present, absent. Boolean. True, false. Some companies, what they'll do, PA, they'll write. P means present, A means absent. Character literal. Some companies, they'll write complete, present, absent words. String literal. Some companies, 1-0, they'll write. Integer literal. Depends. Some companies, 1-0 also they'll write. 1 means present, 0 means absent, like that also they'll write. Then integer literal. PA, present, absent, character literal. Present, absent words, string literal. True, false, Boolean literal. Depends upon application requirement. Okay. Employee attendance percentage. Number of working days, how many present, how many absent, calculated in a month. What is it? Floating point literal. Okay. After calculating percentage, point something comes. So floating point literal. Like that, we have to select. Like that, we have to select. See, 6 categories of literals. One more thing. Note, note 1. True, false, and null are not keywords. True, false, and null are not keywords. True, false, and null are not keywords. These three in a keywords list not there, but reserved. That's what every point important. These three in the keywords list it is not there, but reserved. Note 2. True, false, and null are also cannot be used as an identifier. True, false, and null are also cannot be used as an identifier. Okay. See, these three words not there in the list, in a keywords list not there. But these three also we cannot use as an identifier. These all you have to remember. Then only logical part possible. See further what will happen. One line, integer a equal to 10. If you want to write. In this line only, this int is called data type. But till what is data type not completed. This int we can also call keyword. This a, it is called variable. This a we can also call identifier. Okay. This equal to symbol is called operator. Operator. This 10 is called literal. See, in a one line only, 6 concepts are there. This line only, 6 concepts are there. You studied identifiers, keywords, literals, but still you have to study data type, variable, operator. Then logical part possible. Okay. In a one line only, these many concepts are there. One line, if you want to write, first you should know 6 concepts. After that, that line is valid or not valid, you can give answer. Later, 2-3 lines valid or not valid, you can give answer. Like that, if you write 10 lines program also, 100 lines also, 1000 lines also, you can write later. But first of all, you should be able to give answer for 2-3 lines only. That knowledge, if once if you gain, later n number of words, n number of programs you can write. But logically you should be strong. That type of knowledge is required. Okay. Say here, A is a variable which contains data. That is identifier. Now here, A place, you can write whatever you want, identifier. But 5 rules you have to follow. Keyword you should not write. True, false, null you should not write. These 5 rules, keyword one more rule, this true, false, null one more rule. 7 rules you have to remember to write that word. Okay. Here, the 6 categories of literals are there. 6 only possible. Any other style if you write, error. Then here type you have to select. It is not completed. That is how to explain. So identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, operators. These all required. But today you studied 3 concepts: identifiers, keywords, literals. Tomorrow, data types, variables, these all I'll cover. Then I'll start logics. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Be regular. Every class is important only. Okay. Put efforts, work hard. In a short period, you'll be able to write any Java program possible. But you should be very regular. You should work hard. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, 1 minute. Pujita, semicolon is a syntax. Vishal, Yeah, previous videos already they shared in Google Drive. In a chat box, you can copy. Yeah, Swapna. Yeah, this previous videos here I'll share once again. You see, these all previous video links. Harish, notes, Google Classroom they'll provide, but you need to wait 4 or 5 days. Then they'll give a link at the time. Tejasvi. Tomorrow also, maybe same link will be there. Sai Prasad. Previous classes list only just now I shared. Sai Prasad. It is pause. Just I'll show you. See, if I click, the video will play. See, it is there. Okay, it is playing now. You observe. The videos are playing. You see. Roshan. Keywords removed from language. Yeah, depends upon situation, they may remove. Roshan. Integer. Roll number means numbers. Then generally we use integers. Venkata Nojella. You want to copy literals. This is literals. Biswaranjan. Today's theory. Yeah, today's theory I given no. Dibyaranjan. My mail ID. Further I'll give venkatesh.mansani@yahoo.com. This is my mail ID. Nikita. 11 o'clock Oracle batch. Tomorrow new batch is there. 2 o'clock HTML batch is there. If you want, you can join. Previous batch, if you want to join, previous batch, you can join. Prasad. Now, no need to refer any Java book. If you refer, you will get a confusion. Later, I'll guide you. Sri Vidya. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, tomorrow 2 o'clock. In a website is there. You can register, you can join. Oracle, 11 o'clock. Nikita. They may give one more class. Pooja. Today recording video, tomorrow you'll get it. Manjusri. Google Classroom till not created, it takes time. Kaunyan Fatma. Uh, Certificate, you will get it. Uh, Nishika. Yeah, I'll take care everything. No need to worry. Starting sessions, what will happen? New people will come. Every day, new people will come. For them, confusion comes. That's what little slow. You can understand. Here, non-IT students will be there. IT students will be there. I have to take care about all students. After few days, they'll understand everything. Depends upon practicing. Then, if I teach little fast, also they can understand. I have to take care about all students. That's what. Sachin, recordings will not be provided. No recordings. Present only 4 or 5 days they'll give. Naini Sharma. Thank you. Shalini, same link tomorrow. Nagajyoti, this batch is 7:30 p.m. only. Ankita, yeah, I'll give my mail ID further. venkatesh.mansani@yahoo.com. Konyan Fatma, certificate will get it. Pranit, yeah, approximately core Java will take 3 months. Advanced Java parallel you can start after exception handling topic. Uma Devi, this batch time is fixed 7:30 to 9. Srija, already they shared payment process in a chat box. You can check it. Pujita, today's recording, tomorrow you'll get it. Ramu, admin number already is there in chat box. You can check it. Sanjana, yeah, certification pattern only my class will be there. Sri Lakshmi, character literal, string literal, boolean literal. In a further programming, you will get a more clarity. Swapna, already links shared in a chat box. You can check it. Admin already shared. You can check it in a chat box. Sanjana, yeah, HTML batch, Oracle batch, you can attend parallelly. Nikita, admin number already provided. Already they provided. You can check it. Abhishek, thank you. Viswaranjan, this is only today's class theory. Nagesh, thank you. Varalakshmi, thank you. Shalini, online students also will get certificate. Pranit, core Java 3 months. Yes. Yeah, payment details already admin provided. You can check it. Sanjana, advanced Java parallelly not possible. Yeah, batch will be there. That is next week will be there. But parallelly not possible. Mohan, uh, I'll share notes. You can read. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. That online lab support also is there. No need to worry. Sunat, no need to worry about subject. I have a 20 years experience. Everything I'll cover. Don't worry about subject. Shalini, uh, you're in Europe. Okay. Admin on WhatsApp. You are unable to send. Okay. In a Naresh Reddy website, complete details are there. You can see phone numbers, front office numbers also. You can contact them also. Hemant, this batch time is fixed 7:30 to 9. Komal, thank you. Nilesh, Google Drive link or Google Classroom link, that is you need to wait 4-5 days. Naini Sharma, yeah, 45 days not possible, 3 months it will take. Because core Java most important. Ankita, in a full stack Java, this class is core Java. Aman, um, Hindi not there, only English because you need to give answers in English only in interview also. Shravya, yeah, that is already started 4 p.m., 6 p.m. batches. New batch tomorrow, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock is there. HTML, Oracle. Nilesh, already they shared complete payment related information. Nagajyoti, thank you. Abhishek, full stack Java means 6 months it will take complete. Oracle batch link already they shared no in a chat box. You can check it. Come here. Every day I'll interact with you. That is only interview preparation. Any other doubt? Shubham. Yeah, it is today fifth class, but I taught starting 3 session. I didn't teach subject. Yesterday only I started subject. First day I taught what is full stack Java. Second day I taught how to learn Java. Third day I taught uh, editions of Java. Rupali. Total full stack Java, 6 months it will take. Faizia Begum. 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 7:30. These three you attend enough because one more class parallel not possible. If you attend also you cannot understand. Suppose advanced Java, you cannot understand. Spring, you cannot understand without core Java concepts. That's what 3 sessions you can attend parallelly. Any other doubts? Sri Lakshmi. Non-computers also, computers also, all people, if you learn full stack Java better, more opportunities will be there. Come here. No need to check. The companies, they won't see IT or non-IT. You should have a skills only. That is important. Prasad, if you write in single quotes, error comes in Java. Faizia Begum. If you want, attend morning 7:30 spring class is there. If you don't have a time, you can. But you cannot understand. Aman, yeah, Java is, it takes more time to learn. It takes time. Rashika, every day I'm interacting, no, that is only like a interview questions, everything. Weekly one test I'll conduct, weekly one assignment I'll give. That's enough. Shubham, weekly one test, weekly one assignment I'll give. Samiksha, new core Java batch, morning batch present, not there. It takes time. 1 week or 10 days. Minimum you have to wait. Morning batch means you have to wait. Maybe after Pongal, after Sankranti. Shravani, yeah, listen to tomorrow morning 11 o'clock, HTM Oracle, 2 o'clock Oracle. Faizia Begum. Yeah, Java and SQL, it will complete in 4 months. Possible. 3 to 4 months possible. Shravani. Yeah, if you join full stack Java, in that core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices. That is first video. You attended first video. Otherwise, watch this first video. I explained. Second video also content I given. You can check it. These all videos you watch better. I given complete clarity. Any other doubts? We'll see continuation tomorrow. Faiza Begum, watch these 4 videos. You'll understand whatever I covered. I explained how to learn Java also. The way also everything I covered. You can check it these videos. Shravani, yes. After completion of demos, they will give classroom link. Yes. Aman, many times I repeated. You watch first starting 4 videos. Again, you watch. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Repeated questions you are asking all people. Same questions repeatedly. Okay. That theory. Just now I was shown 3-4 times Biswaranjan. I removed that page. He already written complete. I'll share notes, no need to worry. After removing, you are asking. I didn't save. Now we'll see continuation tomorrow.